The remainder and factor theorem are going to become important to help us find zeros of polynomials that we can't factor. We're going to start by just looking at them in a blank situation to understand how to use them. So problem number 13 on page 205 asks us to use the remainder theorem to find the remainder of f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 3x plus 1, and they give us a value of k of 2. Now where that k comes from is the idea that we may have a factor of x minus k that we're trying to divide into the polynomial, and we want to know what the remainder is. There's a shortcut for that. So in our case, if we're assuming that k is 2, instead of using long division or synthetic division to divide that into the polynomial, what we can do is simply substitute 2 into the polynomial, and the value will give us the remainder. So we're going to substitute 2 in for x in our polynomial, and when we do that, we get the value of 3. So since f of 2 equals 3, that would be the remainder that we would get if we were dividing by x minus 2.